Welcome to my channel. How to extend your car's clutch plate's life. 1. Avoid riding the clutch. Keep your foot off the clutch pedal when not changing gears. Resting your foot on the clutch causes unnecessary wear. 2. Shift gears smoothly. Engage gears gently and avoid slamming them in. This reduces strain on the clutch plates. 3. Use the right gear for speed. Always drive in the appropriate gear for your speed. Over-revving the engine can strain the clutch. 4. Avoid overloading the car. Carrying heavy loads puts extra strain on the clutch. Keep the weight within limits specified for your car. 5. Don't slip the clutch. Avoid keeping the clutch engaged for long periods, such as while gradually releasing the clutch on inclines. 6. Avoid sudden starts. Instead of accelerating aggressively from a stop, ease into the throttle to avoid unnecessary wear on the clutch. 7. Use handbrake on hills. When starting on a hill, use the handbrake to prevent excessive clutch slip. It'll reduce the chances of burning out the clutch plates. 8. Maintain proper fluid levels. Check your clutch fluid levels regularly and top up if needed to ensure smooth operation. 9. Get regular maintenance. Have your car's clutch system inspected regularly by a professional to catch early signs of wear and tear. 10. Drive smoothly and predictably. Avoid harsh acceleration and sudden braking. Smooth driving habits will reduce the overall stress on the clutch. Thank you for watching.